Okay, hi, good evening everyone. Good evening everyone. Good evening Shravani, Kavya. Am I visible? Is the screen visible? If yes, then let's start. Good evening Akanksha. Visible? Okay, good. Let's start. Okay, so what we are going to do in this batch is we are going to solve exercises of all the important chapters. Hmm. So right now we are starting with sequence and series. So we'll try to solve like one exercise in every lecture. Oh, good evening, Ayush. Okay, so we'll try to solve one exercise in every lecture. So right now we are starting with sequence and series. So before starting, we'll revise all the formulas quickly. Okay. So let's start with first exercise of sequence and series, which is related to AP, arithmetic progression. Okay, fine. So let's revise all the basic formulas first. What basic formulas are there in AP? AP is first of all a sequence where difference between consecutive terms is same. It should be 10. 1, 4, 7, 10 and so on, where difference between each term is 3. So first term of AP is called as A, first term which is 1, and nth term is called as Tn, which is denoted by A plus n minus 1 into D, where D is common difference. What is common difference? Difference between second term and first term, or difference between third term and second term, or in general difference between any term minus previous term. Okay, previous term, sorry, any term minus previous term, that is n minus 1 term, right? Any term, nth term minus n minus 1 term. So we get Tn using this. Then if we want sum of n terms, we get Sn using n by 2 into A plus Tn, or using n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 D. I'm not explaining the formulas right now, we are just revising. Okay, right now our objective is to solve exercise, so let's just revise this quickly. Then some more important formulas are sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 upon 2, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Then sum of squares of first n natural numbers, that is 1 square, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16 and so on up to n square. Yes, good evening Vaibhavi. Okay, so this is what? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. Then sum of cubes of first n natural numbers, that is 1 cube, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27 dot 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 up to n cube, is what? N into n plus 1 upon 2 bracket square. Okay. Then sum of first n odd numbers is simple n square, that is 1, 3, 5 dot 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 up to n, that is nth odd number. Fine. Then sum of first n even natural numbers, that is starting from 2, 4, 6 dot dot dot, is what? N into n plus 1. These are the basic formulas that you must know before starting with AP. Even numbers, odd numbers, cubes, squares, natural numbers, and A, D, Tn and Sn. That's it. Okay, on the basis of this we can now go to exercise 6A, which is first exercise of sequence and series. So let's try to finish that in this lecture. Okay, our objective is to solve it quickly, solve the questions fast. Okay, we don't want to spend much time on the questions. Good evening Rishraj. Okay. So we are not going to spend much time. We have to solve the questions fast. So if in exam such questions comes, how can we solve them quickly? That is what we have to see. Just confirm once my voice is properly audible, right? Just tell me once. Is there any background noise from my side? Otherwise, let's start. I guess there was some background noise right now. It is clear now. So let's start with first. First is nth element of the sequence 1, 3, 5, 7 dot 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 is nth element of this sequence. If you see, this is AP, right? Why AP? Because difference between consecutive terms is same, 2, 2, 2, right? So these are odd numbers actually. So in this AP, A is 1, common difference is 2. So nth element is just Tn. We know Tn is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. So that is 1 plus 2n, this will be minus 2. That means 2n minus 1. Option B. Okay, fine. If you are also solving with me, you can tell me the answers on live chat. Okay, on live chat, tell me the answers, question number and answer. If you are solving with me. Fine. Second, nth element of the sequence 1, 2, minus 4, 8 dot dot dot. Okay, now the problem is this is a geometric progression. Okay, this is a GP question. They have included it in AP. So right now let's skip it. Okay, we can go by options, but right now let's skip it. We'll do it when we go to GP. Third is summation sign. Working with summation sign is important. Let's see how we can do that. Summation of root of 2i minus 1, where I goes from 4 to 7. Where I goes from 4 to 7. That means first we have to put I as 4. Then we have to put I as 5. Then 6. Then 7. Okay, and then we have to add all of them. So let's put I as 4 first. If we put I as 4, it will be 2 into 4 minus 1 plus when we put I as 5, it will be 2 into 5 10, 10 minus 1 9. Then when we put I as 6, it will be 2 into 6 12 minus 1 11. Then next will be if we put I as 7, it will be 2 into 7 14, 14 minus 1 13. This first one is going to be what? 8 minus 1 7. So the answer is just root 7 plus root 9 plus root 11 plus root 13. A, correct Akanksha, A is the correct answer. 1B Rishiraj, that is correct. Rishiraj, you have वापस पढ़ाई करनी है Rishiraj? Good. Okay. Then next. Fourth. The sum to infinity of the series this can be written as. Now again this is a GP question, but we can solve it using the summation sign, no issues. They are not asking for actual sum. So once again, how can we write summation? Our first term is minus 5, second is 25, minus 125, 625 and so on. That means we should have powers of 5. Okay, so it should be 5 raised to something. Let's say 5 raised to k. They are given k in the options, right? And if we go by options, then minus 5 raised to k. That will be what? Minus 5 raised to 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 raised to 2 is 25. Minus 5 raised to 3 is minus 125. Minus 5 raised to 4 is positive 625. So this is the correct answer, where k goes from what? 1 to infinity. B is obviously not correct. Why? Because in B there is no negative sign, and in C negative sign is outside. That means whatever answer we get, all the terms will be negative. As per option D, all the terms will be negative. So option D is not correct. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Now next few questions are very simple. Question 5. First 3 terms of the sequence when nth term. So they have given formula of Tn as n square minus 2n. So how do we find first 3 terms then? See, if Tn is n square minus 2n, that means T1, that is first term, is 1 square minus 2 into 1. That is going to be minus 1. Then T2, that is second term, will be 2 square minus 2 into 2 4. That is 0. And third term will be T3 is equal to 3 square minus 2 into 3. So 9 minus 6, which is 3. So we got first 3 terms, right? -1, 0 and 3. That will be the correct answer, option A. Let me know if anyone has any doubt. At any point, if you have any doubt, let me know. No issues at all. 5A correct. Good, Akanksha. Kavya 3A, that was correct. Fine. So wherever possible, we have to go by options or by putting numbers. Next. Which term of the progression, this -1, -3, -5 dot dot dot, is 30 minus 39? Okay, now maybe we'll try to solve this. Which term? That means they are saying nth term is minus 39, and they are asking which term. That means n is what? Fine. So -1, -3, -5 dot dot dot, that means first term is -1, and if the AP is like this, then common difference is -3 minus -1, that is -2. So common difference is -2. We know that Tn, which is minus 39, is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Right, so we can solve this. Let's take this 1 here, -1 here. So minus 39 plus 1 will be minus 38 is equal to, let's open this bracket, minus 2n and plus 2. Let's take plus 2 to that side. So minus 38 minus 2 is equal to minus 2n. That means minus 40 is equal to minus 2n. That means n will be 20. 20th, very good, Akanksha, 20 is correct. For 6th one, 20 will be the correct answer. N is coming to be 20. Fine. If anyone has any doubt, let me know. Okay, let's go to 7th then. If not, let's go to 7th. The value of x such that 8x plus 4, 6x minus 2 and 2x plus 7 will form an AP is. Okay. Now we can go by options or we can solve. I think solving will also be quick. Okay. Correct, Kavya, that is correct. So if they are in AP, that means second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term, because common difference, right? Okay, Vaibhavi, no doubt, fine. So that means second term minus first term. So 6x minus 2. See, our terms are 8x plus 4, 6x minus 2 and 2x plus 7. Right. So we should know that second term minus first term, that is this minus this, should be equal to third term minus second term, that is this minus this. Right. So let's open these brackets and solve. 6x minus 2 minus 8x, this will become minus 4 is equal to 2x plus 7 minus 6x and minus plus 2. Fine. 6x minus 8x is minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 2 minus 6 is minus 4x plus 9. Then let's take this here and this here. So 4x minus 2x is equal to 9 plus 6. That means 2x is 15. That means x is 15 by 2. Okay, 15 by 2 will be the correct answer, which is option C. Okay. We can go by options also, but going by options might take time because this is in fraction, right? So it is possible that going by options will take time. 8th. Mth term of an AP is n and nth term is m. Okay, this is standard formula that rth term is m plus n minus r. Option D. No need to think, no need to solve anything. Okay, D is the correct answer. 8th. Then 9th. The number of terms of the series 10, 9 and 2/3, 9 and 1/3, 9 dot 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 will amount to 155. Amount to means sum of. Okay, sum to. Amount to means the sum of that series is going to be 155 for how many terms? Number of terms. Okay. So let's see what is the series. 10, then 9 and 2/3, 9 and 1/3, 9. So 10, 9 2/3, 9 1/3, 9 dot dot dot. If we convert it to decimal points, it is 10, 9.6 recurring, 9.3 recurring, 9. Right. So if we take difference, if you check difference, common difference is coming to be negative 0.3 recurring, and first term is coming to be 10. We want Sn to be 155. We want Sn to be 155. Sum of n terms should be 155. So let's try to find n. So it will be let's use the formula of Sn directly. N by 2, that is n we don't know, by 2 into 2a. 2a will be 2 into 10, 20, plus n minus 1 into d. D is minus 0.3 recurring. Fine. Let's solve this. Minus 0.3 recurring we can write as, if we want, we can write it as minus 1 by 3. Fine. So let's try to solve this. Let's take this 2 here. So 155 into 2 will be what? 310 is equal to n into bracket 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 1/3. Fine. Okay, just a second, let me block this spammer. Just a second. Okay, fine. Okay, so this will be the equation. So 310 will be n into bracket 20, and if you open the bracket it will be minus n by 3 plus 1 by 3, right? Now actually we can go by options also. Now we have 30, 31, 32. Okay, so we can put the options and check. 30, 31, 32. Can you check and tell me what is the answer? It will be 20 plus 1.3333, then 30 by 3 m minus into 30. So that is not the answer. Then 310 1 by 3 m plus 20 m plus into 31. If we take 31, we get the answer. Check. If we put n as 31, we are getting the answer. This will be what? 31 by 3. So add it to m minus. Then 1 by 3 add it to m plus. 20 add it to m plus. And take total and then multiply it by n, which is 31. So 310 is the correct answer. So 31 will be n. It is possible that n will be 32 also. Let's check. 32 by 3 m minus 1 by 3 m plus 20 m plus into 32. No. And let's check 30 also. By 30 also we are getting the answer if you check. That means 30 and 31 both are the correct answers, because this is a decreasing AP. In decreasing AP we can get two answers for Sn. Okay, we can get two answers for number of terms in Sn. So let me know if everyone has understood this. Akanksha, Kavya, Vaibhavi, Rishuraj, let me know if you understood this. A and B correct, Akanksha. We can solve that also if you want. Clear, everyone? Let me know if this is clear so that we can proceed. Clear? Okay, fine. Okay. Next, this is again easy. Nth term of the series whose sum to n terms is 5n square plus 2n. That means they are saying Sn is 5n square plus 2n, and they are asking nth term, that is Tn will be what? Now it is very easy, because if we put S1, that is n as 1, then that is sum of one term. So it will be 5 into 1 square, that is 5, plus 2, which is 7. Then sum of two terms will be 5 into 2 square, 4, plus 2 into 2. That is what? 5 into 4 plus 4, which is 24. If we put S3 means sum of 3 terms. That will be 5 into 3 square 9 plus 2 into 3 6. So 5 into 9 45 plus 6, that is 51. So this is sum of 1 terms. Sum of 1 terms means first term is 7. Sum of 2 terms is 24. That means 7 plus second term is 24. That means second term must be 24 minus 7, which is 17. Similarly, sum of 3 terms is 51. That means this 24 plus third term, okay, total of these two is 51. That means third term is what? 51 minus 24, which is 27. Dot dot dot. That means this is an arithmetic progression where A is 7, common difference is 10. Correct, good. 17 is correct, second term. That means Tn will be what? A plus n minus 1 into D. D is 10, so we can write 10. That is 7 plus 10n minus 10. That means 10n minus 3 will be the correct answer, which is option C. If anyone has any doubt, you can let me know at any point of time. Otherwise, let's go to 11th. 20th term of the progression 1, 4, 7, 10, dot dot dot. This is easy. Here A is what? 1. Common difference is 3. We want 20th term means we want T20. T20 will be what? A plus n minus 1, that is 19 into D. So 19 into 3 plus 1, that is 58 will be the correct answer. How are you getting B? C is the correct answer for okay, just a second. For 10th, C was the correct answer, and for 11th, 58, that is A is the correct answer. C is correct. Fine. So for 11th, A will be the correct answer. Tn is 58 directly, right? A correct, Akanksha. Okay, fine. Good. Next is again easy. Last term of the series 5, 7, 9, dot 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 to 21 terms. That means we want T21. That means we want T21. Okay, no problem. We know that A first term is 5 plus n minus 1, that is 21 minus 1 is 20, into D, common difference is 2. So 20 into 2, 40, 40 plus 5, 45 is the correct answer. Option C, check. For 12th, option C is the correct answer, 45. Okay, when you are putting the options in live chat, put it with question number so that I'll understand. Okay, put question number and option. Question number and option. So 12th, C is the correct answer. 13th, again easy. Last term of the series to 13 terms. So that means we want T13. So A is 0.6. So T13 will be A plus n minus 1, that is 12, into D. What is D here? Second term minus first term, if you check it is 0.5, and third minus second is also 0.6. Third minus second is also 0.6. That means D is 0.6. So it is 12 into 0.6 plus 0.6. That is 7.8. Option B is the correct answer. Check. Put it with question number and option so that I'll understand which question you are talking about. Tell me if you've got 13B. Everyone. 12C correct, 13B correct, good, correct. Next, 14th. Sum of the series 9, 5, 1, dot 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 to 100 terms. This is easy because you have everything. 9, 5, 1, dot 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 to 100 terms. So we want S100. Sn is what? N by 2, that is 100 by 2, into 2a, that is 2 into 9, 18, plus n minus 1, n minus 1 is 99, into d. D is what? Common difference is 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Similarly, 1 minus 5 is also minus 4. So minus 4. So it is going to be You should do it on calculator, don't solve it. 99 into 4, m minus 18 m plus MRC, that gives us 378 as this bracket, negative 378. So into 100 by 2 into 50. Negative 18,900 is the correct answer. Negative 18,900. Check if you've got it. Option A. Have you got option A? 14th? If yes, let's go to next one, 15th one. The two arithmetic means between minus 6 and 14. Okay, so between minus 6 and 14, we have to insert two arithmetic means. Minus 6 dash dash 14. That means these four numbers should be in arithmetic progression. So we know that this is first term A, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. So we know that A is minus 6 and T4 is 14. If T4 is 14, we know formula of T4. T4 is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. So we can find D now. Take this 6 here, 14 plus 6 is 20. And then divide by 3, that is 20 by 3. So 20 by 3 will be D. 20 by 3 is what? 6.6 recurring. This should be the common difference. So take this and add plus 6.6 recurring. So minus 6 plus 6.66666, that is going to be obviously what? 0.6 recurring. And then again add 6.6666, that is going to give us 7.3 recurring. So these two are the arithmetic means, 0.6 recurring and 7.3 recurring. So check. Option B is the correct answer. Do on calculator. 2 by 3 is 0.6 recurring and 7 plus 1/3 is 7.333. So B is the correct answer. 15th B correct. 14th A, that is also correct. Okay, fine, good. Correct Rishuraj. 13th B. Next, 16th. Sum of three integers in AP is 15 and their product is 80. Okay, obviously we'll go by options. This is not in AP, cancel it. This is not in AP, cancel it. These two are in AP, arithmetic progression, because here common difference is 3, here it is minus 3. Fine. So their sum is 15, check. 2 plus 5 plus 8 is 15, that is correct. And their product is 80, 2 into 5 into 8 is 80, correct. So both are the correct answers, C and D. Got it? 16th. 17th is again easy. Sum of n terms is 3n square plus 5n. What is the series? Okay. So Sn they are saying is 3n square plus 5n. That means S1 will be 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 1, that is 3 plus 5, 8. Then S2 will be 3 into 2 square, that is 3 into 4, plus 5 into 2, that is 12 plus 10, 22. Similarly, S3 will be 3 into 3 square, that is 3 into 9, plus 5 into 3, that is going to be 3 into 9, 5 into 3, 42. Okay, just a second, there's some background noise, let me close the door. Okay. So now, what we can do is, S1 is 8, that means first term is 8. S2 is 22, that means second term is what? 22 minus 8, because 22 is sum of two terms, right? So 22 minus 8 is 14. 8, 14 is only in one option, which is option A. 17, Kavya, check again. 17, B is not the correct answer, Kavya. A is the correct answer. You are forgetting that this is sum. Check, tell me if you have got it. Shravani, Vaibhavi, Rishuraj, tell me if you have got it. 17th A. Akanksha, that is correct. Fine. No, Kavya, if we go by options, still B is not the correct answer because this is series of sum. We want the original series. We don't want sum, right? This is S1, S2, S3, Kavya. We need what? We need T1, T2, T3. Hmm. So that is why option A will be the correct answer. Let me know if you have understood, Kavya. Let's go to 18th. Otherwise, number of numbers between 74 and 25, 556 divisible by 5. Okay. So 74 and 25, 556 divisible by 5 we want. Okay. So obviously they are going to be in AP. Common difference will be 5. First term will be 75 because that is the first number which is divisible. Last number divisible by 5 will be Tn will be 25555, right? Because that is divisible by 5, n digit should be 5. So let's find n. How many terms are there? Tn is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. So on calculator, 25 555 minus 75, then divided by 5, and then plus 1. This that gives us n as 5097. 5097 is n. We want what? Number of numbers, so that is 5097 n. Okay. Next, the pth term of an AP is 3p minus 1 by 6. What is sum of first n terms? Okay, now this is confusing, but don't get confused. Akanksha 18b is correct. Kavya, no, you subtracted 1, Kavya. You should have added 1. Not 5095, 5097. Check. So in 19th, they are saying pth term is 3p minus 1 by 6. That is, they are saying tp is 3p minus 1 by 6. Pth term, right? So it will be t1, first term, 3 minus 1 by 6, that is 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. What will be second term? 3 into 2 minus 1 by 6, that is 6 minus 1 by 6, that is 5 by 6. So that is 5 by 6. Let's keep this as 2 by 6 then. What is third term? 3 into 3 minus 1 by 6, that is 8 by 6. Okay. So if you observe, the series is like this: 2 by 6, 5 by 6, 8 by 6, dot dot dot. We want what? We want sum of first n terms, that is, we want formula of Sn. Sn, right? So let's try Sn. Sn is what? N by 2 into 2a, so 2 into 2 by 6, plus n minus 1 into d. What is common difference? 5 by 6 minus 2 by 6 is what? 3 by 6, that is half, right? So common difference is half. Okay, let's solve this now. N by 2 into bracket, let's cancel this. So it will be 2 by 3 plus n minus 1 by 2. Let's take LCM. N by 2 into, if we cross multiply 2 into 2, 4, plus this will be 3n minus 3 upon 3 into 2, 6. So final answer is going to be what? In denominator we will have 2 into 6, that is 12. In numerator n, 4 minus 3 is 1. So 3n plus 1. Let's check if this is in the options. Option B. N into 3n plus 1 by 12. 19th should be B. Let me know if you have got it, then I'll go ahead to 20. B is the correct answer, 19th. Got it, everyone? If yes, 20th. Arithmetic mean between 33 and 77, that is easy. 33 plus 77 by 2. AM, right? 33 plus 77 by 2 is what? 55. Option C. Okay, good. 21. 4 arithmetic means between minus 2 and 23. Okay, now we can go by options because we want minus 2, dash, 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 and 23. and everything should be in arithmetic progression. So obviously this is not the answer, this is not the answer, because they are not in arithmetic progression, right? Only this can be the answer. Let's check 3, 8, 30, 80. If you see difference between all the terms is 5, 5, 5. So 21 C is the correct answer. 20 C, that is correct. 21 should also be C. Okay, let's check 22. That's all 22. First term of an AP is 14, and sums of first 5 terms and first 10 terms are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. Equal in magnitude but opposite in sign means they are same in number, size wise they are same, but sign wise they are opposite. That means if one is negative, one is positive. What is third term of this AP? So what information is given? First term is 14, and sum of first 5 terms and sum of first 10 terms are equal in magnitude but opposite in signs. So like this, if one is positive, other is negative, right? Right. Okay. Okay, Aniket, I have actually taken a live batch of correlation regression which is uploaded a few days back. So you can just check once. If you still have doubts, you can contact me personally, no issues. Okay, I have uploaded a live batch, you can check that in last month. It was a revision actually. Okay, so this, let's solve this. S5 will be what? N by 2 into 2A, that is 14 into 2, 28, plus N minus 1 into D is equal to minus 10 by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Right, let's solve this. 2, 2 we can cancel, 5, 1, 2. Fine. So that is 28 plus 4D is equal to, this is minus 2, right? So we can open the bracket maybe. Minus 2 into 28 is what? Minus 56. And minus 2 into 9 is minus 18D. Let's rearrange this. So let's take 18 here and let's take 28 here. So it will be 4D plus 18D is equal to minus 56 minus 28. That means 22D is equal to 84. That means D is equal to 84 by 22. 84 by 22 is what? 3.81 recurring. A is 18 and D is that. We want what? We want third term of this AP. Third term means T3. That is now easy because now T3 will be what? T3 will be what? A plus N minus 1, that is 2 into D. So 3.81818181 till the end into 2 plus 18. That should give us 25.63 recurring. 25.63 recurring is the answer. Check if you are getting this. How to check that? Let's try this. 6 and 4 by 11. So 6 m plus 4 by 11 m plus MRC, if you press, that gives us, okay, did I make some mistake here? It was 18, right? Oh, sorry, first term was 14. Okay, just a second. And D is also negative, right? Minus, so this is negative 3.81. Fine, fine. Negative 3.81 recurring, so this should be negative. So it will be 14 minus 2 into 3.81 recurring. Fine, now we can solve it. So it will be 2 into 3.81818181 m minus, okay, this is m minus, and 14 m plus. If you press MRC, you get 6.36 recurring. First term, yes, so I corrected it. Thank you. 6.36 is the correct answer, which is first option. 6 and 4 by 11. How to check that 6.36? How to check it? This 6 m plus and 4 by 11 m plus, right? So 6 added, 4 by 11 added. If you press MRC, you get 6.36 recurring, which is option A. Let me know if everyone has understood this. If yes, 23. Sum of a certain number of terms of an AP series -8, -6, -4 dot 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 is 52. That is, they are saying Sn is 52. They are saying that Sn is 52. But we know formula of Sn. It is n by 2 into 2a. What is a here? A is -8. So 2a will be -16 plus n minus 1 into d. What is d here? -6 minus -8. So -6 minus -8 will be -6 plus 8, that is 2, right? So we can solve this for n. Let's try to solve. Let's multiply this 2 here. So 52 into 2 is 104 is equal to n into -16 plus 2n minus 2. So 104 is equal to n into -16 minus 2 is -18. So 2n minus 18. So 104 is equal to 2n square minus 18n. That means 2n square minus 18n minus 104 is equal to 0. We can take 2 common to reduce it. It will be n square minus 9n minus 52 is equal to 0. Now let's solve it. Minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. 81 plus 208 is 289. Square root of that is 17. Obviously 9 minus 17 is going to be negative, so we'll ignore it. 9 plus 17 by 2, that is positive, so that is our answer, which is 30. Okay, so n is 13. Check if everyone has got this. You should be able to solve quadratic equations fast because they come in every chapter. So I hope everyone has got 13. 13 is option B. If any doubt, let me know. 23B, that is correct, Akanksha. Bhavi, Kavya, Shravani, got it. 24 is very easy. First and last term are -4 and 146. That is A and Tn. Kavya, that is correct. A and Tn they have given, and they are saying sum of terms is 7171. That is Sn is also given. Now why is this easy? Because there is a formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus Tn. So we want number of terms, that is we want n. So we have everything now, right? Sn is what? 7171 is equal to n by 2 into A plus Tn, that is -4 plus 146, that is 142. So what is n then? 142 by 2 and 7171 divided by 71. 101 is the correct answer for n. Check if you've got it. Again, last one is also easy. Last one for today. They are asking sum of the series 3.5, that is 3.5, 7, 10.5, 14 dot 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 to 17 terms. That means we want S17. S17 is what? 24A is correct, Akanksha. So S17 is what? N by 2, 17 by 2 into 2A. 2 into 3.5 is 7 plus N minus 1, that is 16 into D. D is also 3.5. If you check, common difference is also 3.5. So how much is this? 16 into 3.5 plus 7 into 17 divided by 2. That gives us 535.5, which is option C, 535 and half. Check. So is everyone clear up to this point? Let me know. So this was exercise 6A. In next lecture we'll go to exercise 6B, which is on GP, and then combined exercise, which is on AP as well as GP. 25C, that is correct. Good. Okay, so clear with everyone? If yes, let's stop for today. Okay, we'll meet in next lecture. C is correct. Good, good. Fine. Okay then. So bye everyone. We'll meet in next lecture. Okay. Yes, bye. Yes, bye.